Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for I and I. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for Rastafari. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for I and I. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for Rastafari. Aile I Selassie. Chacha give grass for the animal to feed, fruit and the veggie for the people to eat. Rastafari money no need no meat. Cabbage, spinach, it's the I meat. Good the nutrition in order to be fit. Good the marijuana for the mind to be lit. Good the cannabis when we boil and eat. Queen sativa, this a woman no cheat. Loyal queen stay clean and neat. Royal queen no need no secret. Marijuana queen, it's the what I need. In my soul it's a ganja I feed. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for I and I. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for Rastafari. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for I and I. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for Rastafari. Babylon saying this is a drug. How come a drug? It's having a seed. This is a plant, we don't need the chemical. Marijuana it's now medicinal. Everywhere you go it's international. In plenty places no more illegal. Genesis 1 discipline is biblical. Haile Selassie say let us be equal. Babylon please leave a Rasta with a call. This is a sacrament for Rasta church call. This it's a plan that uplift the spiritual. Bend the marijuana and pass it the hatical. Yeah man, them hatical. Selassie. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for I and I. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for Rastafari. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for I and I. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for Rastafari. Say I. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for I and I. Genesis 1 verse 29. Marijuana plant is for Rastafari. I and I. Say I, Rastafari.